staggering 77% of businesses experience a data loss incident every year. Since Office 365 does not provide backup with granular point-in-time restoration, business operations come to a screeching halt. Successful managed service providers strive to deliver seamless business continuity every time. Introducing Spanning Backup for Office 365, MSP Edition, the most comprehensive protection against Office 365 data loss. Spanning's end-user functionality and cloud-native benefits combine to provide the lowest total cost of ownership of any other backup and recovery solution in its class. Simple management and administration of all your customers' tenants from a single console, reducing technician time spent on data restoration issues. Uninterrupted service delivery results in happy customers who would love to keep doing business with you. Spanning provides enterprise-class security and compliance, plus ease of use, at a cost that enables MSPs to profitably provide their customers with improved business continuity and peace of mind. Let's talk.